What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. So last night me and Christian decided to start putting the RB for the new 240 together. We began to basically put the manifold on, the valve covers, on the front accessories, all that stuff, and when we turn the crank, the motor is basically seized up. So this was an engine that I purchased. Supposedly it was good, and it's stuck now. So it could have been because I left it outside and it just seized up, I guess, with the water and all the debris. But right now what I'm gonna do is tear down the whole motor and see if we can get it rebuilt. Broski's manifold is off. I'm gonna get rid of all these lines, alternator, and then I'll start with the front. And then over here on this side is pretty much ready. Alright, broskies, what you guys are about to watch is no bueno. Check it out. Damn, this thing is pretty bad. No mames. So I don't even know if it's rebuildable or what, but I don't know. I guess I'm gonna talk to my homies that know what's up, but for sure I think this shit is not good. Maybe, yeah, no? Leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Is this rebuildable or no? Chinga tu madre, look at that shit. Oh man, let me see if I can flip it so I can show you guys. Here's what the bottom of the head looks like. Too much water went in there. Too much water. Alright, broski, so I'm gonna turn it over. I'm gonna start taking it all apart, and then we'll see how the walls are. But most likely I think they're not gonna work. We'll see though. Alright broski, so I just took off the crank. Just gotta take off the pistons and then we'll see what the fuck. Oh, by the way, I'm basically using Ziploc bags and basically keeping track of my bolts. Broski, so the block is basically bare. I took off the pistons. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. If there are any engine builders that watch my videos, let me know if this block is salvageable. I got everything nice and organized. Pistons, crank, everything. This wasn't really difficult. It was pretty simple. I want to see myself putting it together, see if we can make it work. But I'm gonna talk to a couple of my friends and then see how we go down about this. If we can use the same block, I think I'm just gonna go standard size everything just to get it running. And then I have my old one right there. That one's a little better. I blew the rings on that one, so that one. If I can put this one together, like I said, we're gonna do a forged bottom end on that one. So wish me luck, broskies. Hopefully we learn something from this RB. I guess that's it for today, broskies. Please drop a big ass like, subscribe if you are new. There's gonna be some new merch coming soon. I'll keep you guys updated on that, but we got some new merch coming. And that's pretty much it, broskies. Until the next one. Peace out.